Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm here to share a package that I just got today. It's from Jeannie Dreamer, and I won her giveaway, or she's been pulling names I think every month, and I was one of the lucky winners. Hey Jeannie, I got my package. So look how pretty it's wrapped up, all sweet. So I'm going to, I didn't want to untie that, but it's a beautiful blue satin ribbon, very pretty. And here's a heart doily. Oh, and let's see what this is. I know she made, oh my gosh, she made me an envelope. Oh, there's a little card in here. Oh, handmade with love. Oh my gosh, Jeannie, I love this. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I have her little Tussie Mussy she made. And so now I have this. I love it. I need to make me one. Oh my gosh. I love that. And then I'm gonna open this. I'm trying to, yay, I didn't rip it. She made me something else. Oh my gosh, I love these handmade items. Look how sweet that is. It has 2 tags. This is so adorable. That is so adorable. Ooh, and a metal piece with some lace. Oh, I love this. I love how you did that, Jeannie. This looks like a, what do you call those envelopes? Can't think of the envelope, but I love it. And did she? No, she did not. And I'm going to put her, maybe she has it in the back of here. Nope. Maybe behind here. Nope. I am going to put your name on here, Jeannie. I love this. And I love this. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Jeannie. I love what you created for me. You're such a sweet, sweet woman, and I'm so glad that I got something from you. I love your style, and yeah. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great weekend. I will be back soon with a new D-Stash video, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.